We all know that hair can play a big part in one's appearance, which is why many women spend a good amount of money on hair care products and at beauty salons. Today's video will discuss homemade creams to soften your hair. If you are new to Remedies One channel, please take a moment to subscribe this channel and tap the bell icon so that you will get notified when I publish new videos daily. Having healthy and beautiful hair without using dangerous or costly products is what we are going to talk about today. Specifically, we are going to provide recipes for homemade creams that can soften your hair naturally and help get rid of frizz. Homemade creams. 1. Coconut milk and lemon juice. In order to make this homemade cream, you need to add the juice from 1 lemon into 1 glass of coconut milk. Make sure to mix all ingredients well and then cool them in the fridge. Leave them in the fridge until you notice a creamy film forming on top. Apply the mixture equally to your hair and then let set for about 20 minutes. One important thing to remember is to cover your hair with a towel or a cloth, which will help the product penetrate better. Once the 20 minutes is up, rinse your hair until the product is completely gone. That you normally do. If you are consistent with this treatment, it will provide very good results. 2. Milk and honey cream. Add a few drops of honey to 1 cup of milk, mix well, and then apply uniformly to your hair. Let set for an hour and a half or 2 hours. Then rinse and wash your hair with a gentle shampoo. 3. Olive oil. All natural oils are beneficial for nourishing and restoring hair. We are going to talk about olive oil now, although almond oil also contains many of these benefits. These oils bring health back to your hair, making it look and feel much better. Warm some oil and be careful not to burn it or yourself. Apply the warm oil to your hair. Let it work for a few minutes. You could also wrap your hair as a thermal cap. If you don't have one, you could use a hot towel instead. Once the time is up, rinse and wash your hair as you normally would. If you have oily hair, it's best not to apply the product too close to your roots. And remember that these types of treatments require patience. They won't give you miracle treatments overnight. You should do this at least twice a week in order to notice that your hair is becoming silkier, shinier, more manageable, and therefore straight. How you soften your hair, let me know in our comments section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.